Okay, we're gonna do the unit circle today. In the unit circle, to do it, I'm gonna have a couple different things that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the actual unit circle and I'm gonna fill in values here. On the unit circle, we have a radius of 1, which means every point on this circle is 1 unit away from the center, which is 0, 0. So this point right here is gonna be 1, 0. This is gonna be 0, 1. This is gonna be negative 1, 0. And this is gonna be 0, negative 1. So those are the easy points to find. I'm gonna give you blank unit circles and you're gonna have to fill them in. So I want you guys to bring the completed unit circle that I do today with you. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're gonna do. Now, I'm also gonna do some stuff on a standard Cartesian coordinate plane. Standard Cartesian coordinate plane is your XY that you've been dealing with most of your life. So we're gonna put a triangle on here, one of our special right triangles. That's pi over 2, pi over 6, and pi over 3. Now on this triangle, we're gonna base it off of the unit circle, which means this would be the radius, which we've said is 1. So on a special right triangle like this that has a radius of 1, that has a hypotenuse of 1, and that's opposite my pi over 2 side, I'm gonna say that that's 2x. And when I'm doing x, I'm not solving for this guy, I'm solving for a variable that I don't know. Equals 1, divide by 2, x equals 1/2. For the rest of this video, I'm actually not going to use x here, even though that's what I used yesterday in the video. I'm going to use the variable a because I think it'll kind of not confuse you on our Cartesian coordinate plane. So I'm going to cancel this out and I'm going to say 2a equals 1, a equals 1/2. So remember that that side is equivalent to the one that's opposite your pi over 6. So this height right here is 1/2, which if I'm talking about a location on the Cartesian coordinate plane, that's going to be the y value. And then this side over here is x times the square root of 3. Oh, sorry, a times the square root of 3. So if a is 1/2, that's going to be the square root of 3 over 2. So that's the first value that we're going to find. We found this point right here, which on my unit circle is going to be right here. I'm going to put my angles on the inside. My angle is pi over 6, and the values are square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. So that's the first step. I'm going to continue this in another video because I have a student in here that wants to talk to me. So after I do this, I'll post another video.